Hello pretty ladies, welcome to Braids Lover, your number one spot for braids hairstyles, lovely and gorgeous braids hairstyles. Well, in this video we'll be showing you guys different unique braids hairstyles, lovely braids hairstyles, probably certainly the one you've not seen before. These braids hairstyles will bring out your shiny beauty, will bring out the true beauty in you, make you look more gorgeous and attractive. So beautiful ladies, kindly watch this video till the end, and if you are here for the first time, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell icon to get notified, so that when next we upload beautiful hairstyles inspiration like this, you'll be notified on time. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll be giving you guys more beautiful, gorgeous and adorable braid styles like this. Braids are gorgeous, braids are beautiful, they represent African beauty, African culture, and you can rock braids to any occasion of your choice. Braids brings out your innermost beauty, and two, they serve as protective hairstyle. It's not just all about having braids, it's all about having a good stylist to style that particular braid you found or that particular braid you discovered, just like these braid styles you have here. If you finish looking at them and you finally made a choice of your own, kindly take it to your hairstylist to your hair for you, to make that hairstyle for you, to give you that quality hairstyle you deserve. Every beautiful lady deserves to always look beautiful. No matter what is going on with their life, they ought to be looking pretty at all time, and these braid styles will help you look gorgeous and bring out your innermost happiness, make you feel confident, make the bold statement wherever you are going to. Thank you very much for watching. Watch till the end to see all the styles. Make sure you pick a style. Let us know in the comment section the style you've selected. Thank you very much. See you next time. Turn on the notification bell icon if this is your first time. Subscribe.